How to activate your RBC debit card. Hey guys, today I'll show you a quick and easy way to activate your debit card on RBC Bank. So the first thing you're going to have to do is contact the RBC's customer support using the number provided on your card. So you can directly give them a call and provide your personal information like your full name, account number, and all of the details that has been asked. Or you could head over to their website and then click on this contact us button. Then from here, if you have any questions, just go ahead and click on the ask button to do that. And you can just give them a call additionally. So go to a new tab on your browser and then simply search for RBC customer support or customer service number. Hit enter. You'll get a phone number that's provided here. You can give them a call and a representative will answer your calls. Then you can ask them how that you want to activate your debit card. So they'll ask you for your informations like your full name, address, phone number, and other details like your account number. Just provide all of those to the representative and they will guide you on how you can activate the card. Once you follow all of their instructions, you can try to make a small transaction using your card or withdraw some amounts from your ATM to see if the card is working. If the transaction goes through, then that means you've successfully activated your debit card. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.